saying, I don't care if you're caught up in the J-Drive or hype or not, you cannot front on Aki Kaboro. Man, especially now when you've seen him run off Hopkins. Let me break it down for you. He runs 100 miles an hour, drifts here, and he's still the highest scoring overall driver in USC